Hello, I am showing you a customized ChatGPT. Well, I don't say it's an alternative to ChatGPT, but it's a specialized GPT. How does it benefit you? Well, I am showing you my personal daily cases. For example, I have to humanize AI generated text daily because I have some blogs, I have some writing tasks. So every time I have to write humanizing text, sometimes few times a day. So I have created a humanizer here. Whenever I give a AI generated text, it converts it into humanized text. When I click, just by one click, I get PowerPoint script generator. Now the GPT is specialized in PowerPoint script generator. Well, just I give the topic. Yes, it has generated 7 slides and a particular pattern because that is what it was instructed. It was a specially crafted prompt that I have to repeat again and again using ChatGPT or other LLM. But here I have just saved it, created a customized GPT. So it has created my desired output. Just by one click, now it has become a Facebook post writer uh, in a voice, in a brand tone I have specified. So I just can create prompt. For example, I will create a LinkedIn post, LinkedIn post writer, and the prompt is set this prompt, set prompt. It has created LinkedIn post writer. Now I will write a LinkedIn post. Now it has become specialized in LinkedIn post writing in a tone, in a flavor I have specified. So you can add prompt as much as you want, and also you can delete them, edit them. It's kind of centralized prompt management. Yeah, this is the pattern I instructed. So it has created in my desired pattern. So I use it personally. Initially I created it for one of my clients, then I have developed it some more to fit my requirements, and then I also thought why I should not make it public. So this is why I am sharing this. If anyone need something similar software system or a customized tool, of course you can contact me.